Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Compactor 4000 and its essentials so you can act immediately. Place the block where a hopper or chest can feed it. Once placed, right-click to open the GUI and verify it has power and inventory slots. Make sure you have a basic fuel stack and an upgrade circuit ready. This prevents mid-process interruptions, because placement determines input/output routing. Align the hopper beneath the output side so items flow automatically once compaction begins. Once done placing and powering the compactor, configure inputs and recipes to control how items compress. You assign filters to specific slots so the machine only accepts intended materials, then choose the compression tier. Higher tiers use more fuel but yield denser stacks. Make sure to link a redstone timer or server chunk loader to maintain processing during an activity, because paused compaction wastes queued items. Also, test a single batch to confirm inputs map to the correct output recipe before bulk feeding. To finish, monitor the output chest and automate collection so compressed results are safely stored. Once the first compressed stacks appear, scale up input. If throughput drops, make sure fuel levels and capacitor upgrades are adequate because underpowered compactors slow or stop. If items jam or the compactor shows errors, clear filters, remove stuck stacks manually, and restart the block. This resets internal queues. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing processes, confirm permission and chunk loading first. Most failures trace back to those two causes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.